Overcoming Fear, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to Motivational Inform, where we inspire growth and resilience. Today we're tackling one of life's most universal challenges, fear. Fear can hold us back, but with the right approach, we can transform it into a stepping stone for success. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to overcoming fear. Fear is natural. It's your brain's way of protecting you. But unchecked fear can paralyze you and stop you from pursuing your dreams. Here are 5 steps to face and conquer fear. Step 1. Identify your fear. Understand what you're afraid of and why. Is it failure? Rejection? A specific situation? Write it down to bring clarity and take the first step toward overcoming it. Step 2. Challenge your thoughts. Often, fear stems from irrational or exaggerated thoughts. Ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? How likely is it? Breaking these thoughts down reduces their power. Step 3. Take small steps. Facing fear head-on doesn't mean diving into the deep end. Start small. For example, if you fear public speaking, try talking in front of a small group first. Step 4. Use visualization and affirmations. Visualize yourself succeeding and overcoming fear. Repeat affirmations like, I am capable, or I can do this. These techniques retrain your mind for confidence. Step 5. Seek support and celebrate progress. Share your fears with trusted friends or mentors. Their perspective can help you see solutions you may have missed. And don't forget to celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Fear is part of being human, but it doesn't have to control you. By understanding, challenging, and gradually facing your fears, you can transform them into catalysts for growth. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to Motivational Inform. Together, let's conquer fear and achieve greatness. See you in the next video.